Hey, Brent, one of the big concerns here, not just the snow, but also what's behind me, the Thames River here. It can become a big problem when high tide and heavy winds happen at the same time here in New London, which nearly happened last week. High tide and high winds coming from a vulnerable direction would cause real problems for New London, especially if those conditions were also accompanied by heavy snow. As for Saturday's forecast,
the winds this time are from the northeast, which is pushing water out of the river, not into the river. That's in our favor.
Saturday's high tide and peak winds are expected to be roughly 6 hours apart. Another victory, he says. The snow's coming on a weekend.
We've got the game down. We have 9 major plow routes, 6 smaller ones. We have a crew that does snow blowing and sidewalks, and our key areas.
Like any city, New London's asking that you keep your cars off the streets so they can go curb to curb.
One vulnerability, again, we have is a major storm with a lot of snow. If it doesn't melt before the next storm, we do have narrow streets.
Meanwhile, in neighboring Waterford, Ace is the place.
We've sold out of our snowblowers. We're not exactly sure if we're getting any more in tomorrow. We are expecting, like I said, we are expecting plenty of shovels, plenty of ice scrapers, plenty of ice melt.
And he says when snow's in the forecast, the entire business benefits, even if customers come in primarily focused on other projects.
The original plan was to get some Windex for the windows at the God Arts Theater, which I work there. So then you said, "Are you ready for the storm?" And as I was walking around the store, I realized that I'm down to maybe 2 bags of ice melt at the theater. So I said, you know what? Let me take it just in case.
I'm here to help. That's all I can say. Coming up next hour on the Fox 61 News at 5, how the Coast Guard factors into the response to this potential monster. We're live in New London. Tony Terzi, Fox 61 News.